that have lived their entire life without finishing the Qur'an once in their lifetime. And this shows you the gap between our generation and the generation of the companions. May Allah be pleased with them. Imagine the Prophet ﷺ asked his companion, Abdullah ibn Amr ibn al-As, how many times do you read the Qur'an? Abdullah said, I recite the whole Qur'an once every night. And that is in prayer, at night time prayer. Finishing the whole Qur'an out of his own memory while praying takes what, 7 hours? He does that every single night. The Prophet said, no, take it easy on yourself. Recite it once a month. So every night you recite one juzu. That's sufficient. The Prophet agreed that he finishes the Quran once a week, and in another narration, once every 3 days, not any less. This is how eager the companions were to read the book of Allah, to ponder upon it, to implement it in their lives. And you can see how much time we devote for Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, let alone watching the news, the 6-hour news, the 9-hour news, reading newspapers, reading blogs. All of these things distract us from our original target, from our mission and vision. This is not going to take us to Jannah. The Qur'an is.